Hi guys, this is Letitia from Pivotal Products. Just wanted to come on this platform real quick to let you know who I am and who Pivotal Products is. So Pivotal Products is a personal care company where we make hair care products, we make skincare products, and we make body products. That's all under the umbrella of personal care, cosmetics, and toiletries. So what that means is right now we have a lot of products that's for hair. We have a men's line, we have a line that's for weave care, and we have a line that's just for natural hair. We make truthful products with truthful chemistry with a side of education because we really want you to know what's in your product, what's going on with the industry, what are some trends, what are some facts, some myths, some truths, because there's a lot of people out there that make product, but is a lot of people are not trained to make product. It's cool to go in your kitchen or in your basement or garage and make a product that you feel that is working for you, but it's too, you need a lot of technical background behind what you do. You need regulations to tell you if these raw materials are good or not, or are they compatible with one another. You need to have stability to make sure that the product shelf life lasts for the duration in which you want the product to last. You need to have packaging information or packaging know-how to know if I put it in this type of packaging, that will increase or decrease the shelf life. It will increase or decrease the actual preservative content that's in it. So would it grow materials? Would you find yourself looking to increase that preservative to make the shelf life longer and last more, or does it need any preservative at all? There's a lot of things that go into putting out a A1 type product, and not saying that these other product lines are not A1, but I see a lot of flaws. And I don't know if they're running compatibility testing. I don't know if they're running micro testing or toxicology, or if they're doing regulatory to make sure that it's acceptable once it goes around the world, sold in different continents and different avenues. You don't know what they're doing with the content, because it's just like, oh, I had somebody else make it for me, or I bought it from a supplier as a base and I just added my fragrance and a little oil or a little color, and now I have my product. Being a formulating chemist, we go through the complete steps A to Z on what it takes to produce a product. And that comes from the development, the marketing, positioning, seeing where the product needs to be or where it's at. And then it takes a lot of know-how to know exactly what raw materials or ingredients that you put in the product, how they work with other ingredients. So sometimes you can put one ingredient A with ingredient B, you're going to get ingredient C, but ingredient C can be an irritant. It could be there can be some reactions that's going on, which are called in situ reactions that are happening within the product, and you just don't want those type of things to happen when you're creating a formula, especially if you're trying to make a bomb formula that's going to be out there for the world. So knowing that that is where we're at with products and product knowledge, I know the consumer, I know you guys are savvy about what you're buying. You're reading those labels, you see these words, you're wondering what they are, you're trying to define if that is good or bad for me. And part of Pivotal Products is we want to do good and we want to bring good and, you know, push good forward. And that's where our Truthful products with Truthful chemistry come in, and the education, because you don't know what's good or bad for you unless somebody teaches you what's good or bad, as we did when we were kids. Your mom said, yeah, you could, don't touch the stove, that's bad, that's hot. You learn these things. And the same thing with products. We have to learn what is good, what is bad, and decipher between what we want to bring into our lives as being good or bad. If it's just a regular preservative, or if it's a natural oil, or if it's something that's trending, that's popular now, or if it's something that we just know from experience and from just using it forever, that hey, this is some good stuff, this is what it does, I know this, something that is already known by you. So those are things that you want to look at when you're looking at products. And we're here to listen. We're here to listen to everything that you have to say about products in general. We prefer to do it about our products because we don't want to ever really call anybody to the carpet, because we're all out here for business, and it's enough business here in this world that we can all make a dollar from. So if somebody prefer another company or another brand versus mine, that's fine, because I'm wishing them as well too, because it creates a whole diversity on the scene. You can bake a cake and not everybody like that type of cake, or everybody doesn't like the frosting, or some parts of it they like and some parts of it they don't like, or they just don't like it all together. And that's fine, because that's the choices that we have in life, that we can figure out what we want, what we don't want, and we just live with that. So thank you for tuning in. Once again, this is Letitia from Pivotal Products. Hopefully you're having a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye now.